Yeah, roger on that, Barry. Yeah, I said the same. You know, I emailed him. I emailed Mike, and I also got hold of Ivor and a few of the other ones. You know, but no, never replied with anything. They wasn't interested. Don't do it anymore.
Just because they get their little bit of a ticket, it don't mean to say they can't still have a show on air. All bands are up. That's what I say, Rod.
Yeah, roger on that, Barry. Yeah, well, I sent you an email. I sent you an email with a link to YouTube. Stuck you on the YouTube the other day. I'm just going to do the same with this one, so you can hear how you're cracking in over here. You okay?